HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand examples of partial correlations. There is only a moderate correlation, 0.56, between the number of hours worked and the total pay, all points in display. When we control for levels of pay, separated by color, the partial correlation between hours and pay is 1, R equals 1. There is a very strong correlation, 0.93, between the height and reasoning scores for a group of 12 children, all points in display. When we control for the 3 different age levels of the children, separated by color, the partial correlation between height and reasoning is near 0, minus 0.09. There is a small, 0.29, correlation between social support and recovery time, all points in display. When we control for age, separated by color, the partial correlation between social support and recovery time is very strongly negative, minus 0.91. There is a moderate correlation, 0.45, between income and life satisfaction, all points in display. When we control for health satisfaction, separated by color, the partial correlation between income and life satisfaction is very low, 0.06. There is a strong correlation, 0.82, between health satisfaction and life satisfaction, all points in display. When we control for income, separated by color, the partial correlation between health satisfaction and life satisfaction is reduced, 0.35. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.